Stand with feet together, hands on the hips. Lift the right leg up and hook the right big toe with index and middle finger. Inhale. Straighten the right leg in front, making it parallel to floor. Inhale. Take the extended right leg to right side of hip and turn head to the left. Take 3 breaths. Keep the spine straight. Inhale. Take the right leg back to center. Exhale. Bring it down. Repeat the same other side. Breathe deeply and slowly and engage your core for better stability. Inhale as you extend your leg forward. Inhale. Take the extended leg to the left and turn head to right side. Take 3 breaths. Inhale. Take the extended leg back to center. Exhale. Bring it down. Relax.